Yeah, it's like my testimony, or should I say game to the young homies. Everybody got a motive indeed, struggling, hustling for that green. Yeah, it's all about that paper, man. And dang, could it be the karma thing? Just got me fighting for my dreams, but the pain got me caught up in a twist, trying to maintain. With hopes for the best. Sometimes now I feel like I gotta wear a bulletproof vest. Cause the contest flipped and changed. And all my friends that got shady when the fame came, like hats on fashion and cocaine. Addicted to the lifestyle, insane. But who can we really blame for this pain? I'm like, Lord help us all, it's like we can't see. Down here blind in this hell for eternity. But it's weed. Celebrity is you and me. Never grow, never know who you could be. OE, personality, reacting off the impulse and we dying slowly. Right now, somehow, we gotta knock it off. We gotta knock it off, cause what we got to prove? We ain't soft. I'll return to dust. Slavery is jail us, getting shackled in handcuffs cause they jealous? What? Other brothers careless, mistakes and bad breaks, funerals, but wait. It's time to wise up. Rise up. See, cause we can make a change, but it's on us. Got to wise up, rise up. Or fall a victim to these lames when they claim us to be the next target. You know the demon got it started. Disregarded, 666 in his head, it was part of him, but it's you, peep game. Money, fame, envy, greed, can't stop the rain from falling. And I can hear God calling. For the wise heads to wise heads, and the rest of them just balling. Truth, choices, decisions. We got a hand in the future. We got to pause and listen to our inner vision. It's for real. Third eye vision. Third eye vision. On a mission. Listen. Inner vision.